So hey guys, bago pa ako magsalita ng kung ano dito, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Grabe. Like kung iisipin, I think I started frequently uploading just this year, 2017. And you see, isa lang din naman akong high school teenager with a camera and a laptop trying to make videos that I make. And thank you guys for watching them. I know na I shouldn't be gushing about this all that much. Dahil compared sa ibang YouTubers na merong thousands and millions of subscribers, walang-wala yung kung anong meron ako ngayon. But still, I'd like to thank you guys. I'm just one person. The other people na bumubo dun sa 1,000 ay kayo yun guys, kayo yun. So, thank you so much. Don't congratulate me, let's congratulate ourselves. Woo! I know na medyo late na tong video, but I still like to make something special for you guys. So I prepared a Q&A and a little bit of something that would benefit all of us. And for that, I have a survey! Okay, no one is excited. So, I have 2 points to make before the actual reading your comments. First one is my channel name. See, kung na-update na ng YouTube ng tama yung channel name ko ngayon, I am not Lemuel Generoso anymore. I am now Waysanity. Why, you ask? You see, lagi ako nakakita ng mga YouTubers na mayroong sariling brand name and they're really creative. Plus, kung isa ka sa mga very early subscribers ko, you know that the original name of this channel is actually Wewe05 Hobbies. And I think channel URL ko pa rin yun hanggang ngayon. Kung titingnan nyo yung channel ko and then titingnan nyo yung address bar sa taas, I think it is youtube.com/user/wewe blah 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 blah. This is just a little bit something about me, but my nickname is actually Wewe. Back when I was a kid, I can't actually pronounce my own name. I pronounce Lemuel as Wewe. I don't know why that happened. And I think it's really cool, but also a little bit childish at some point. So I changed it to my actual name. But Lemuel Generoso is kinda hard to remember for the viewers. And also, laging nagkakamali i-pronounce yung mga tao ng pangalan ko. It's Lemuel. Lemuel. Not Lemuel or Lemuel, it's Lemuel. Also, Generoso. Not Generoso. Generoso. Also, try nyo sabihin yung pangalan ko ng mabilis na paulit-ulit. Tingnan ko kung hindi kayo magulo. Lemuel, 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 Lemuel. So yeah, my channel will be Waysanity. 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 So kung may magtatanong man sa akin sa comment section down below or kung ano man, address me as Way or Kuya Way or kung ano mang way na maisip nyo. And the second part is I'm gonna be doing a survey. Yes, a survey. I know it's really lame, but pakinggan nyo muna ako. You see, a lot of people is actually hoping for a giveaway. And I'm just a high school kid. And also, hindi ako sponsored ng kahit anong shop. I am not affiliated of any other shops. And plus, if I did do a giveaway, that would only benefit one person. Isa lang yung makikinabang doon. So for that, I prepared a survey. So in the link down below the video description, pwede kayong pumili at max na 3 choices na mga nilagay ko. What are your choices, you ask? Kung ano yung mga susunod kong maging YouTube videos. Yes guys, yung mga YouTube videos na gusto nyo makita. So my next uploads will be based on your votes. So yeah, pwede kayong bumoto dun down below the video description. And kung meron kayong suggestion sa isang specific video, just comment it down below. And I think that's it. Thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. Roll the next clip.
And now, reading your comments with Waysanity.
Manila Cuber asks, what editor do you use? Gamit ko ngayon ay Premiere Pro. Dati Sony Vegas yung ginagamit ko pang edit. And pwede naman sila gamitin ng pareho, but mas mabilis mag-render sa Premiere Pro. Pero kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, I highly suggest na itry mo muna yung Sony Vegas kasi mas madali yung matutunan. Halos pareho lang naman yung mga features nila. The downside with Premiere Pro is mas mahirap siyang aralin. So, kung nagsisimula kang editor, try mo muna ang Sony Vegas. And I also use After Effects and Photoshop for my thumbnails and other random programs. Meron pa hubang ibang mga Pinoy Cuber na YouTuber? Yes, meron pa ibang mga YouTuber na Pinoy. I was actually added to a group chat with other Pinoy YouTubers and I think CubeUp added me. So, hey CubeUp, unspeakable things said. Sasali dapat ako. Kaso sub 20 pa lang ako eh. Nahihiya ako, baka ako yung pinakamabagal. Emoji, 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 emoji. JM Cube said, unspeakable things. Hindi yan. Sub 20 ka na nga eh. So you get solves below 20 seconds. Some of the cubers in the competition are sub 30, sub 25 because they join competition for fun and to meet new friends and other stuff. Nice answer, JF. You totally agree with that answer. Kung sasali ka sa competition, huwag mong aalahanin kung mabagal o mabilis ka man. Basta sumali ka. Madali lang mag-register, merong tutorial sa Philippine Cubers Association, and makakilala ka ng very great people. And I know that some of my very best friends, I don't actually have friends, but I met them through cubing, cube meets and cubing competitions. So yeah, just join and it will be fun. I guarantee you. Also, pwede nyo din panoorin yung Metro Speed Cubing video ko. Na-meet nyo po ba si Kuya Richard? Yes, na-meet ko siya. And he's really cool.
Sup, Pinoy Cubers?
Kuya, nag-OH po ba kayo? Yes, nag-OH ako. I average around sub 20. Well, I can do sub 19 or sub 18 kung nagpa-practice ako. But, sub 20 is what it's at. Danica Castro. Kuya Lemol, may tanong po ako sa inyo. Sabi po kasi ng kaibigan mo na magaling bumuo ng Rubik's, kailangan daw maging 40 seconds pababa ang PB ko para matutunan ang CFOP. Mahalaga po ba yun? Una sa lahat, sino yung magaling mong kaibigan? Unspeakable Things answered, I don't think so in my opinion. I learned CFOP when I was sub 1 minute and 2 months after I'm sub 15. First of all, Unspeakable Things, great improvement, 2 months to sub 15. Hell yeah! Pero tama nga si Unspeakable Things, walang barrier kung kailan pwede at hindi mo pwede pag-aralan ng CFOP. Pwede mo siya pag-aralan kahit nag-average ka na ng 2 or 3 minutes. I think ito yung pinupunto ng kaibigan mo. Mag-aaral ka ng CFOP kapag gamay mo na yung beginner's method. Kasi, dun sa beginner's method, kapag komportable ka na dun, gamay mo na kung paano gumagalaw yung mga pieces sa cube and mas madadalian ka mag-transition to CFOP. But, you think na na-master mo na ang beginner's method and you can do it with minimal errors, then go ahead, learn CFOP. Idol! Mas idol kita, Sony Z3. Alright, bump it, bump it, bump it. Yeah! Nice vid! Keep it up! Thank you, RG Cubes! Ayoko i-share. Ang pangit ko kasi dyan. Ha 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 ha. JK. Alam mo, Nathaniel Ortega, hindi porke nanalo ka sa Metro Speed Cubing Open, hindi mo na i-share yung videos ko. Paano naman yun magkaka-views? No, joke lang yun guys. Huwag yun seryosohin. Ang nickname po ni Nathaniel ay Tantan. So, kung makikita nyo siya, tatawagin siyang Tantan. Nathaniel Ortega won Metro Speed Cubing Open. I don't know kung na-headline na siya sa WCA. Yeah. Mabagal lang yung taong yun. Masyadong pa-humble eh. Joke lang, Nathaniel. Thank you dun sa libre mong chowking. Buti ka pa kuya. Naka 8 seconds lang. Sa 3x3x3, ako nga 29. Paano ba maging speed cuber? You see, speed cuber isn't based around your speed. As long as gusto mong mag-improve and gusto mong bumaba yung times mo, speed cuber ka na. Idol LG, pa-request naman po ng tutorial sa Advanced Cross. Meron na akong Advanced to Cross tutorial. I think siya yung second part sa complete CFOP Tagalog tutorial ko. And that is targeted around beginners. Kung ano man yung mga sinabi ko dun sa video yun, andun na yung mga main points and principles kung paano ma-solve ang cross in 8 moves or less. So yeah, check it out. Ilalagay ko siya kung saan man sa screen or sa description lang below. For Q&A, ilang years ka na po nag-Rubik's Cube? I joined my first competition in 2014. And I started speed cubing nung grade 6 ako. And I learned how to solve a cube when I was kinder actually, nung mag-grade 1 na ako. It was just a store-bought Rubik's Cube with very bad turning quality. It wasn't even a dime siya, I think. And yung mga kasabay lang na turns, yung nakikita yung pamphlet na kasama sa mga cube, dun lang kami natuto ng kapatid ko. And my sister actually taught me how to solve a cube. She's not a speed cuber, but she does solve it sometimes. Gawa po kayo ng video tungkol sa transition cross to F to F. Well, you see, watch out for the next feed after this. Bro, may maisasuggest lang ako. Dapat yung intro mo, iksian mo kasi nakakain yung oras ng review. And yung mga tao medyo excited mapanood yung review. Hehe, pero yung content ayos, brad. Keep up the good work. First of all, thank you Captain Cuber 101. This is one of the comments that I like. Bakit? Kasi these comments help me improve as a YouTuber. Yung mga sinabi ni Captain Cuber are actually really good and it's a very valid criticism. So, kung meron kayong masasuggest sa akin kung hindi nyo nagustuhan tong part na to, or kung natagalan kayo dito sa part na to, or kung meron kayong ayaw sa video, sabihin nyo lang sa akin. Tingnan ko kung meron akong magagawa tungkol dyan. Para matulungan nyo din ako mag-improve as a YouTuber. Nail the editing once again. Fucking dope, mate. Well played. Good game, Carl Joshua Dairit. Idol, mag-video ka naman po ng 2x2 tutorial, please. Well, you see, kung gusto mo makakita ng 2x2 beginner tutorial mula sa akin, mag-vote ka lang sa survey na nasa description down below. Summer Mercado asks, maganda po ba ang baby oil sa MF3S? No, hindi siya maganda. Hindi maganda ang baby oil sa kahit ano. Well, except siguro sa baby, but wag mo siya ilalagay sa cube. Reduction 4x4 Enyao tutorial please. Kailangan ko po Kuya Lemuel. Video description. Oh, ang isang katulad mo. Good vid. First of all, thank you Kuya Moses San Pascual. And kung hindi nyo nagagets, wait, papakita ko sa inyo Originally from Kong TV talaga to eh. Okay? Wow, ganito pala itsura ng pag-vlog. Yung sa mga Vines kasi dati, yung kanta ni TJ Monterde na ang isang katulad mo. Yun yung kantang ginagamit sa bawat mga kilig moments. O, tingnan nyo. Kunyari, susutin ko yung salamin ko tapos may tutunog
ang isang katulad mo.
O, kunyari, mag-aayos ako ng buhok.
Ang isang katulad mo.
O kaya, lalabas ako ng pintuan.
Ang isang katulad mo ay di na.
Ano po ang main nyo na 3x3? I currently use a Vault M and a Melee. Meron bang mga magagandang speed cube dun sa Divisoria? Like Vault, GTS, Yan, Guns, etc.? No, wala po dong mga high-end na speed cubes. Well, meron mga high-end speed cubes, pero yun yung mga late release. Like yung mga original Waylong, yung original Waylong hindi GTS. Meron din ata dong Aolong, Aosu, Aofu, mostly Moyu, and some cheap cubes from YJ. Epic editing! Damn! Kaingit ha 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 ha. Ano pong software gamit mo? And also, ano pong recording setup mo? Again, I use Premiere Pro to edit. I have no recording setup whatsoever. Meron lang nakabuyang-yang na lamps lying around and trinay ko gamitin yun. And yeah, again, I'm just a high schooler making videos. Gamitin mo lang yung mga resources around you to fuel your creativity. Paano po magbawa? Paano po magbawas ng cube rotation? Yun na lang po ang ata ang problema ko eh. Di ako nag-i-improve ulit, ang dami kong cube rotations, hirap pa sa F2L. Well, first of all, kung hirap ka sa F2L, panoorin mo yung tutorial ko. Well, first of all, kung nahihirapan ka muna sa F2L, dapat meron kang solution for every single possible case. Pinoint out ko na yun sa video ko ng advanced look ahead tutorial and advanced F2L na dapat mo alam. And for rotations, isa lang advice ko dyan, never do a Y2. Well, meron ilang cases na very, very rare na mas maganda kung magwa-Y2 ka. Pero make sure na kaya mong isolve ang mga F2L cases in different angles. And kung mag-rotate ka, ito personal opinion ko lang to, usually rotate first instead of gagawin mo yung unang part ng algorithm, then mag-rotate ka, then tatapusin mo kaya agad. I find it better na mag-rotate ka agad and then spam TPS dun sa algorithm ko para sa F2L case na yun. From the last question, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng TPS? Turns per second. Ano pong timer ang gamit nyo? Gumagamit ako ng CS timer para sa laptop and PC, and I use Twisty, Nano, and Chrono Timer for my phone. JK Cuber, marunong po ba kayo mag-gitara? Nope, joke lang po. Marunong po ako mag-gitara. Yes, marunong po ako mag-gitara. And I actually have some fingerstyle covers. Gusto niyo ba i-upload ko yung mga covers ko dito sa channel na to? Ito yung mga sneak peek. But I'm hesitating to upload it kasi baka hindi magustuhan ng mga viewers ko. So let me know in the comment section down below. Kurin to trash. Wala to dun sa video ko ng look ahead kung saan yung tanong ko. Saan nagsisimula ang look ahead? At ang sagot niya ay nagsisimula sa letter L. Bravo! Bravo! Ang bilis po ng solve. Paano po maging mabilis? Well, you see, pwede kang mag-practice. But thinking about practice, pwede kaya akong mag-practice? And then nag-practice ako. Ano pong average nyo? My average of 100 is usually high 9 and low 10. So, I am not consistent subject, but we're getting there. Mangarap muna tayo. Paano sa video na ito? Nakakatulong talaga. Gumawa ka pa ulit ng maraming videos na nakakatulong. Thumbs up sa'yo. Well, first of all, Neon Shadow, thank you so much for that wonderful comment. And yes, I try to make videos na makatutulong sa community. And I hope na appreciate mo. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos. Lemuel, gumawa ka naman po ng video sa OLL at PLL, tas mga finger tricks. Salamat! Happy face! Sana mapagbigyan niyo po ako. Well, pwede kita pagbigyan. Pero mapagbibigyan ka ba ng mga ibang boboto dun sa vote list, sa survey below the video description? So cool! Thank you for your unboxing video. Smiley face heart. Well, you see, Kuya Paulo, siya po yung owner ng M&M Cube Shop. Mas makakita kayo ng unboxing kung alam niyo na yung gagawin. Guys, need help. Saan tayo makaka-order? Mahal shipping sa cubicle.us. Hindi lang sa Cubicle dapat umorder. Mag-join ka sa Pinoy Cubers na Facebook group at doon makikita mo ang list ng mga trusted shops sa Pilipinas. And makikita mo din siya sa Facebook page ng Philippine Cubers Association. Meron doon mga shop ranging from Luzon to Mindanao and makikita mo doon kung anong shop ang malapit sa'yo. Absolutely amazing editing skills. Oh my god, TC Cubes! Hi TC Cubes! I watch your videos. Thank you. Parang ang sarap imaginein na kasali ka sa mga competition na ganyan. Pagsisikapan kong matuto ng CFAP kasi beginner's method pa lang po ang gamit. That's the spirit. Pwede ka sumali ng competition kahit beginner's method pa lang gamit ko. And I guarantee you, masaya siya. Yo! 1K na Kuya Lemuel! Woohoo! Congrats po! Thank you, Eddie Cuber, and I'm also really happy for this milestone. Angas! Mas maangas ka, Slow Cuber 1 week ago. Slow Cuber 1 lang pala. 1 week ago yung comment. Sa to pala, ano method mo, Quiz Lemuel? Hi, Quiz! This is actually a Facebook message. Gumagamit ako ng Ortega, CLL, and LBL. I also know some of EG, but sino bang gusto mag-memorize ng ALGS? Lemuel, pahingi po kami ng tips para bumili sa 4x4. Well, you see, para bumili ka sa 4x4 or sa kung anumang klase ng puzzle, dapat alam mo muna kung saan ka dapat mag-i-improve. Kaya gumagawa ng splits ang isang tao kapag magpo-post sila tungkol sa solving process nila and para mabigyan sila ng advices ng ibang tao para malaman kung saan part sila kailangan mag-improve. So, in that way, kung alam mo, kunyari sa 4x4, mabagal ka sa first 3 cross edges ng yaw, try mong pagtuunan nyo ng pansin. And tingnan mo kung saang part o dapat bilisan or bagalan sa part ng solve mo para mas madali kang mag-i-improve. Also, pwede mo din i-video yung solve mo para ma-pinpoint mo. Kunyari sa center building na babagalan ka. Then, makikita mo doon. Just keep practicing and you'll improve. At yun lang muna guys, para dito sa reading your comments video. Baba ka muna. Kung meron pa kayong ibang tanong na hindi napasama dito sa Q&A video, just comment it down below. And again guys, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I seriously can't comprehend kung gaano ako ka-grateful dito sa milestone. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hanggang sa muli. Peace!